Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to complete KYC verification on Delta Exchange. Delta Exchange is a cryptocurrency derivatives trading platform where users can trade Bitcoin and other digital assets. To unlock full features such as higher withdrawal limits, secure deposits and full account access, users must complete KYC, know your customer verification, and KYC verification confirms your identity by submitting a valid government issues document like an ID card, driver's license or the passport. The process is simple and can be completed directly in the Delta Exchange app. So first, open to your Delta Exchange app on a device, and simply after logging you'll arrive at the main dashboard. Tap on the profile in the top right corner. Over here in the top right corner we can find to this verification section. Tap on the get verified, and under this identity verifications simply enter your personal information. You'll be asked for your government issue ID, selfie verification, withdrawal time limit, and select initiated. After that, enter all your personal informations and upload your ID and complete the selfie or the face verification and submit the verification request and wait for the approval. Once approved, your KYC status will show as verified and you can now use all the trading account features on the Delta Exchange. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.